If you're craving a little peace, some front porch sitting, and a place that actually feels like home, this one checks all the boxes. Welcome to Smiths Grove, Kentucky, a small town located between Mammoth Cave and Bowling Green, just minutes from big name employers like Ball, Bowling Green Metalforming, and GM, home of the Corvette. So whether you work there or just want country living with easy access to Bowling Green, this location's got you covered. Check. Inside you have vaulted ceilings, granite countertops, LVP flooring throughout, a split floor plan with a primary suite that is your private retreat, double sinks, soaking tub, walk-in closet, the works. Plus a 2-car garage, storage shed, and even a floored attic on an acre lot. Yep, check, check. And my favorite spot, this covered back porch. Ceiling fans, country views, and your spot to just breathe. Welcome to your place for morning coffee and wine under the stars. Check. If you're looking for a home that checks all the boxes, don't miss 511 Dalton Way. See the details below to schedule your private tour, and I'll see you soon.